big two-family home with parking for 3 cars and paved backyard. 5 blocks away from Kean University. 10 blocks away from North Elizabeth train station. Apartments interior filled with old-style woodwork. First floor with 3 bedrooms, full bath, eating kitchen, living room. Second floor with 2 bedrooms, full bath, eating kitchen, living room and family room. Family room can be converted as a 3rd bedroom as it was done in the first floor. Huge attic with separate entrance ready to be finished. Live in one floor and rent the other one to help with the mortgage payments. Remember that at today's interest rates, for each $100,000 borrowed, you would pay approximately $500 per month on mortgage payments. This is a great time to become a homeowner. For any further information, contact Miriam at 848-248-0274.